Then page number 19. Page number 19, what we learn ma? Around India. Fill in the blanks we learn. Correct? Yes. Around India, what are the specialities are there? Like that, some questions we learn in this page. Correct. The name of which state means the abode of clouds, Meghalaya. The abode of kings of Rajas, Rajasthan. Which state has the largest area of forest land? Madhya Pradesh. Which big mela takes place in Haridwar on the banks of the river Ganga? Kumbh. A Sonipur Mela in Bihar. What is that? Animals, cattle and elephants sold in this mela. Correct? Yes. Then, which desert? The largest in India? Thar Desert. Which is the most widely grown fruit in India? Mango. Which city in Uttarakhand has been built in the valley between the Greater Himalayas and the Sivaliks? Dehradun. You may have visited Nainital. Can you name the skills that surround Nainital? Kumaon Hills. Yes? Please revise. Okay. Page number 20 and 21. Brain teasers and time to think. Think and answer like that question. Correct? Yes, we did already. So once more you did the all questions. Okay. Some problems are there. Some brain teasers you want to think and answer. You revise that page number 20 and 21. Now we will revise page number 22. Studying plans. Okay. In this page number, we studied about some plants, conifers, tea, rafflesia, bale fruit, monkey puzzle, saffron and cloves, cereals, cashew nut, Venus flytrap, sundew, pitcher plant, insectivorous plants. About this we learn in this page. Correct? Yes. You learn, read. Okay, read it carefully and understand what are the speciality. What is conifers? What is the tea bushes? Rafflesia. What are the specialities of these plants? You learn well. Okay, my dear kids? Yes. Then page number 23. Tick the correct answer. Yes. Which of these animals requires as little as 2 hours of sleep a day? Giraffes. They can hear very well. They were kept on the Eiffel Tower in Paris during World War I. Parrots. Yes. Which of these can run as fast as an average horse? Hyenas. A chimpanzee can learn and recognize approximately how many words? 100 to 200 words. Which of these can run faster than a horse and roar like a lion? An ostrich. Then, which bird does almost everything in the air? Swift. Which animal can carry on two conversations at the same time? A dolphin. Okay, learn it well. Okay, my dear kids, learn it well. Which is the correct answer. Okay, then in page number 24 we can see more word games. Okay, word games, you know thorough, I know that, so you just revise that also. Okay, then page number 25. Page number 25, similar sounding words. Okay, similar sounding words. What is there? What your papers, pencil, pens, etc. are collectively called stationery. The pronunciation are same but the spelling little difference are there. That like words. Yes, we learn similar sounding words but the pronunciation is same and the spelling difference is there. Little difference of spelling is there. First one, stationary, not moving also stationary, but spelling Stationary. The money that you paid to travel by bus, train, taxi, etc. fare. Just fare. But the spelling Fare and Fair. To change, alter. A holy table in a church or temple, altar. To sleep lightly, dose. A measure of medicine, also dose. Being born, birth. A place to sleep on in a train, birth. A mixture of flour, water, etc. that is made into bread, dough. A female deer also, dough. Flow of water in a direction, current. A type of dried fruit like a raisin, current. Bending the head or body forward, bow. The main branch of a tree, bow. Big or important, great. To rub something against a rough surface so as to break it into small pieces, great. So the spelling is little difference is there, but the pronunciation is same, but the meaning also different. Okay, pronunciation only the same, but the spelling and the meaning of these two words are different. So similar sounding words we learn in this page. Okay, page number 26. Some experiments. I said to do the experiments and find out the result, correct? I hope everyone did the experiments. Okay, everyone did? Yes. One main is shadow in the morning, shadow at noon, shadow in the afternoon. Okay, did you measure the shadows in the morning, noon and afternoon? What is the difference? You try to draw. Okay, draw and learn this experiment. Okay, all experiments you note it down in your find out book. I hope everyone did this. Okay, yes. Next, page number 27. What is the first one? Match the following. Some units measurements are here. Sound, what is the measurement? Decibels. Rainfall, inches or millimeters. Temperature, degrees. Gold, carats. Cloth, meters. Then fill in the blanks. From the box you can choose and fill it. To find out whether I am running a temperature. Mummy puts the thermometer under my arm or in my mouth under my tongue. Dash are measured on the Richter scale, earthquakes. When we are cold, our muscles move to produce heat. We say we are, what is that? Shivering. What we are calling? Shivering. A small gadget that helps you to change TV channels from a distance is called a remote control. Some people put up a dish antenna on their building or car to watch television. Yes? Okay, my dear kids, learn well. Okay. In page number 28, you can see true or false. No two zebras have identical stripes. True. Only the female mosquito bites. Yes, true. All canaries sing beautifully. No, some canaries only can sing beautifully. Unlike the ostrich, the rhea and the emu can fly. False. An ant can pull loads up to 300 times its weight. True. Conservation means what? Steps taken by people, governments, and organizations to protect trees, plants, animals, and nature. True. Dogs are short sighted. True. An owl can see even in total darkness. True. Poachers are people who care for wild animals. No, that is false. A bull gets angry when it sees the color red. No, false. Okay? Yes. Then page number 29. We want to unscramble the letters and want to find out the insect name. Okay, the insect world topic. So we want to find out some, they gave some insect specialities here. That is in scramble manner. We want to unscramble that and want to find out which insect is that. First one, dash are usually attracted to white flowers. Moths, moths. The ears of a dash are near its knees. Grasshopper, grasshopper. Dash are the fastest flying insect. Dragonflies, dragonflies. There are more kinds of dash than there are varieties of any other creatures. Beetles, beetles. So, good and bird. Good and bird, bad. You want to write it on your find out book. Correct? I said already. Termites destroy furniture. Silkworms, good, produce silk. Locusts destroy crops. Bad. Lice feed on blood of animals. Bad. Bees make honey. Yes? Understood? Termites, what they are doing? Destroy furniture. Silkworms are producing silk. Locusts destroy crops. Lice feed on blood of animals. Bees make honey. Okay, understood? Yes. Okay, in page number 30, sports roundup. Sports roundup. Which is the correct answer you want to tick. In 2017, she became the highest ever scorer in women's one-day international cricket. Maithili Raj. The movie Dangle is about a father played by Amir Khan who coaches his daughter to become champion. Anyone saw Dangle film? The movie Dangle is about a father who coach his daughters to become champion. Okay, very interesting movie, very nice movie. Okay, if you have get chance means you please saw. Okay, played by Amir Khan. Who is the hero? Amir Khan is the father role played. Okay, this is wrestling, about wrestlers. Then the PKL was started in 2014. It is very popular. PKL means what? Pro Kabaddi League. A long distance race for athletes, 42.195 kilometer. What is that? Marathon. The Tour de France is the most famous race of its kind in cycling. Okay, cycling. Sachin Tendulkar, Saurav Ganguly, Abhishek Bachchan, MS Dhoni, and John Abraham, owners of ISL football teams. In 2017, dash thrower Devendra Jajaria became the first para athlete. That that man has what disability? Okay, to win the Rajiv Gandhi Ghel Ratna. What is the item? You know, javelin thrower. She has won more Grand Slam women's singles titles than any other tennis player. Serena Williams. She is a great tennis player from Spain. Garbiñe Muguruza. Okay, my dear kids? Learn well. Okay? Just read well. Learn it. Okay? Learn it thoroughly. Any spellings you don't know means write and study. Okay? This is the last class for general knowledge, right? Learn well. Okay? Write the exam well. Okay, my dear kids? Thank you. Thank you so much.